AVS 102 is an opportunity for students to put to use all the practical skills that they've learned in the classroom. This particular class is comprised of the planning and execution of a multi-day trip through some of the Adirondacks' most remote waterways. During this time, students will find themselves navigating across lakes as well as portaging between the different bodies of water. Students will take turns leading the class from various points during this journey, as well as teaching individual lessons throughout the trip.
This trip is, it gives you a personal gratification for being out, you know, not in society, without your cell phone, just kind of taking care of yourself. But then there's also the group aspect of it and the educational piece. That's really where my passion is. Not only do I love to be outside, but I really, really like seeing other people learn how to be outside and become comfortable in this new environment.